shifter mechanism. But I spoke with Jack's Transmission, and their technician told me, hey, check what it feels like without the shifter linkage on it, and then pull the entire shifter linkage out, or shifter mechanism out, and see if anything's bent. So before doing that, I'm just trying it again. So I'm in the middle position, so this would be third, fourth, push down, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Those all seem to go in okay. Now let me go from fifth, let me try to go down to fourth. It works. It's a little, so fifth, oops, fourth, it's a little, doesn't feel good, and it comes out a little hard too, but let me go fifth, third, that's easier, fifth, fourth is kind of smushy, just like with the lever, the shift lever. So let's go fifth. Let me try and go, I can't get into the first, second area, but if I touch third, then I can get down into the first, second area. First, second, fourth is a little smushy, third, fourth, that clicks in nice, fifth, fourth, that doesn't feel quite right. So I'm going to take this mechanism out because it's feeling about the same here by hand as it does when I have the shifter in. A moment of truth. Let's see if it feels better shifting now. So I'm in the center area, so that's fourth, that's third, goes into those really well. Fourth even better than ever before, it feels like. Let's go down to first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. All that worked. Okay, so now let's go to fourth. Oh, beautiful, that was perfect. So let's go up to fifth. Let's go down to first. Oh, that was perfect. Up to fifth. Down to fourth. Perfect. Reverse. That works. First, second, fourth, second. Yeah, that felt good. Praise God.